Naples, Florida business owner who's tired of paying for space for your business and also trying to afford a home in Naples, Florida, I've got the perfect solution for you. Welcome to 257 14th Street Southeast. This property features a beautiful, charming 2019 built farmhouse. And the best part is you can run your business out of a massive building in the back of the property. Let's go check the house out. This property has all the farmhouse charm. It is as cute as a button. It has an open floor plan and features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. One of my favorite parts is this butler's pantry that also doubles as a laundry room. So here we are on the back of the property in this massive metal building. It is so perfect for running a business.